So in this video, we're going to have a look at how you can customize your footer so you can remove the default footer where we have your business address and your unsubscribe content. So normally when we send out an email, we add that automatically to the footer of the emails. But you might be using a template, so if you paste in source code in here with the template design, or you might want to put it in different places, you can do that. And normally what we do is you see here's your business address and your unsubscribe text. That then links where the subscriber can click it in the footer and modify the information or unsubscribe from emailings. Obviously, putting the address and unsubscription options is a requirement by law. But if you want to do your own, so let's say you're using our builder, which is coming, or you're pasting in your own HTML and you don't want to have us putting in the unsubscribe and the address in the footer because you want to include it in its own custom footer or something like that, you can do that. These are the tags that you'll use. So you see this icon here. This is for personalizing your content. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see under email personalization, you'll see company address and unsubscribe link. Now, if you don't want us to include those in the footer, you need to use both of them wherever you're going to put them. Okay, so this overrides the default address. So you can put that there. So wherever you put this, so open bracket, company underscore address, close bracket, it's going to show your sender profile address. It's going to show this address that you put here when you're creating that sender profile. And same thing for the unsubscribe link. So the unsubscribe link, on click, it takes them to a page where they can edit their subscriber info and also unsubscribe completely. Wherever you put the bracket, unsubscribe bracket, it will then have that link. So it's good to have a description as well. Normally in the footer, as I said, we paste this. So if you want to stop getting these emails, and obviously you can modify this and put what you want as long as you're using the word unsubscribe or something like that, or click here so that we can hyperlink that. But if you want to replace that in your design, if you have like a nice company template or something like that, you can just use these two tags where you want those to show, and then we won't show them repeated in the footer.